Hey guys, you already know who it is. It's your girl Brianna
and your boy Calvin. If you guys want to support the channel more, right now, man, hit that link in the description. Come Patreon. If not, subscribe, tell a friend to keep running us up. And y'all today, man, doggone I've been seeing a lot of like talk about this. I've been seeing a lot of people sharing it. I've been seeing it blowing up, you know what I'm saying, on YouTube. I seen a lot of other reactors reacting to it, like Logan the Wolf, a Wolverine fan film by, I'm not gonna try to pronounce the name because I might mess it up. So you know what I'm saying, but like I've been seeing a lot of stuff about people saying it's pretty good, and like the way it's been blowing up, bro, it's pretty crazy. You know what I'm saying, like how it's been doing. And y'all know I'm a Wolverine fan, period. So I figured me and Bree should check it out. You know what I'm saying, see what's going on. They got the world talking about it. So we're gonna check it out and see what we got going on here. Whenever Bree, you good? Whenever
I'm good. Good.
Okay. Okay.
Wow.
Hold on.
Wow.
Let's do that over.
They don't even give me a little second to breathe.
Nah, that's what I'm saying.
Like why is it? Why, godly, man? Like why you? Why?
That's
Boy,
one way to start.
Hold up.
That gotta be a coming up type of stuff.
Hold up. Hold up, man. That was so.
Man.
Wait a minute.
That's crazy.
That was not endorsed by Disney.
Wrath. I am chaos and balance. I am death and resurrection. I am Fenrir's fury.
Uh-oh.
So musical?
No.
This man Hawaiian?
Oh, Viking dog on you right now.
Oh, I thought he was doing that Hawaiian. What is happening right now? Oh, like some the Undertaker. I'm scared.
Uh-oh. Y'all trespassing.
I've been waiting for you.
You should have run instead.
I don't think you want to.
I don't run away
don't.
from miserable creatures.
Like you.
I've heard a lot about you. Stories are told about a ferocious war that butchers women and children, and even slaughtered 20 of Gona's men alone. Lies!
You just
Nothing
want
more
to
than
test the
fairy
fate,
tales
huh?
to scare little kids.
Yeah, facts.
Lord
Like,
Otar put a bounty on your head, and I don't give a shit what they say about you or what you've done. We are here for the money.
listen, a man dog will just walk up like that, bro. He mean business.
I was waiting for you.
Like, off gate, exactly. I've been waiting for you. I mean business. I don't think you should came after me.
Are you sure it's worth it?
Such a leader, man. It sure is.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I'm scared, dog.
Bro.
I leave one of you alive, so you can warn your sons about those fairy tales.
Oh.
Get him!
Huh.
And I would have been that one person.
Oh God, like, okay, let me live off gate before the fight even starts. Uh-oh.
I see why they couldn't put this in the movies. Wait a minute.
And woman, you crazy.
This is not the time to be big.
Oh.
Oh, maybe it is the time to be big.
No, it's not.
So much for that.
So much for that. All that crap y'all doggone just.
That man gonna resurrect.
Why I came through the eyes, boy? Oh, you okay? And he picks the man up.
I knew he was probably alive. Still scared the damn devil out of me. That was probably ugly. Why you got me watching this, man?
Oh.
Well,
Oh, man.
I would have not wanted to be that girl.
Bruh, who would have been still standing there, though?
What kind of demon are you?
I am Logan, the wolf.
Kill him.
What? We thought we did. Who would have been running? They crazy as hell. Oh. Why I'd have been running so fast? Oh. Okay, that's from the beginning.
Yeah,
Bruh, who would have been still trying, bruh?
my heart ain't ready for this.
Woo. Dang.
I would have played dead a long time ago.
Bruh, I would have been gone. Why those fools still fighting?
I would have been played dead. This man was not gonna heal me.
Oh, it broke off. What the hell?
There's so much going on.
Oh,
Lord!
oh, so yeah! Come on! I am Logan! Oh! Oh! Bro.
You freak.
Leave now and tell your kind about me. Tell your kind a new god will soon rule. Tell your kind a new era is upon them. Go now!
Oh, shit. What the hell? Oh. Wasn't it Jon Snow?
Impressive.
Oh.
If you're here for the bounty, just look at them and see your end.
Very promising.
Mm.
I've been watching you. You have something unique. That brings my attention.
What do you want?
I want you to join me. Together we would be unstoppable.
No man walking these lands can slay me. What would I be doing with you?
You know, we're not so different, you and I. We share the same aversion and repugnance for those animals. If we gather...
I don't need you. Just go home. Whilst you can.
What the hell? Oh, okay. I was finna say, what in the magneto?
I am just like you. A god among the commons. But instead humans call us monsters. They fear us. They want us extinct. And trust me, they'll keep hunting us down and slaughter the ones we love until all our heads are onto their spikes. But we...
mutants.
We're about to change that.
Death isn't my concern. Mortal. Last warning.
That's a shame.
Uh-oh.
I thought you'd understand.
Oh, shoot.
You're going to die like the rest of them.
Show me.
Dang. Oh, it ain't over. It ain't over. Hey, that wasn't bad, bro. It was your scare for me when he stuck that dude in the face. Boy, you yells, and that just caught you. You like, I knew it was gonna happen. I knew you wasn't dead. Of course you wasn't. I still was scared.
You ain't even tell me this was scary.
It's not scary, bro.
I would have
It's a
told you
Wolverine.
I ain't want to watch it.
It's a Wolverine type thing. It ain't scary.
I don't be liking, bruh. I don't be liking when I get scared, y'all. Cause I be making some of the most god awful sounds. So like,
hey, bro, that action scene was crazy though, bro.
like, bro, I can't be watching no scary stuff, bro. Y'all gonna laugh at me,
bro. That action scene, doggone, was crazy. I salute them on that jump, bro. Cause as a person that loves action movies, bro, I hate when action scenes like end really in a quick space, but at the same time, I want them to be exciting the entire time, bro.
This jump's crazy.
And I see exactly why, doggo. That definitely had to be one of the main reasons right there too. Plus off just how they started. Like soon as you press the button, she
like,
whoa.
Dang. Like,
how did the YouTube let you post this?
I couldn't. Ain't it? It's so gruesome.
I know you told them this was not safe for ads. There was not a single ad.
This is so much violence
for a reason. This is YouTube Premium at its finest. You ain't getting no ads on this.
And y'all know it's cold in here, so I'm getting the goosebumps.
Oh my god.
The goose shakes.
Bro, I'm getting hot. That joint had me hype as hell, bro. It's very rare to have an action scene that you just like, yeah, come on, get out here. I was excited over. I'm like, oh shit, keep going. Bring on more. But at the same time, I was like, God damn it, why they not dying? Where they coming from?
Smiling green.
What you mean smiling green?
So I can stop being scared.
Oh my god, bro.
Smiling green.
But I'm ready for them to make another one, bro. I love the CGI and everything they was doing with the blood and all the scar stuff and everything.
I know next time.
You stupid, bro.
Y'all ain't gonna catch me again.
You stupid.
You caught me off guard this time. I ain't know nothing about it.
I ain't know nothing about it either, but what I seen people say about it.
Off guard.
Whatever, bro. But
you didn't even tell me.
I just said it was a Wolverine thing, babe.
Anyways.
But like I said before, man, if you guys want to support the channel more right now, man, hit that link in the description. Come Patreon. If not, subscribe, tell a friend to keep running this up. Go see y'all in the next one, man. Peace.
Peace.
Devin B.